Regardless of age or where you're from, if there's one thing that gets people together, it's gaming. So if you're on a quest for unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and a gaming experience that will blow your mind, you're in the right place. Hey y'all, Deva here from the Expert Zone Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft. And today, we'll be talking about the Xbox Series X. We'll be diving deep into the gaming realm with this powerhouse. So if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your gaming experience, let's get right into it. First thing first, let's talk about the beast inside this sleek black box, the hardware. The Xbox Series X is a gaming marvel boasting a custom AMD Zen 2 processor, RDNA 2 GPU, and a whopping 16GB of GDDR6 RAM. These specifications might sound like a bunch of tech jargon, but what it means for you is an unparalleled gaming experience. The powerhouse processor ensures smooth and responsive gameplay, while the RDNA 2 GPU delivers breathtaking graphics. And with the 16GB of high-speed RAM, multitasking between games and applications is a breeze. Now, let's talk about the gamer's worst nightmare: loading times. The Xbox Series X tackles this issue head-on with its built-in NVMe SSD. This solid-state drive is a game changer, drastically reducing load times across the board. No more staring at loading screens. You'll be diving into your favorite games faster than ever. It's not just a convenience, it's a fundamental shift in how we experience gaming. For the sentimental gamers out there, the Xbox Series X brings an exciting feature: backward compatibility. This means you can dust off all those old Xbox game cases from your collection, port them into your Xbox Series X, and relive the classics. What's even more impressive is that many of these older games receive a performance boost on the Series X. It's like having a time-traveling console that respects your gaming history. Now, let's talk about the Netflix of gaming, Xbox Game Pass. This subscription service is a game changer, offering a vast library of games for a fixed monthly fee. From blockbuster titles to indie gems, Game Pass has something for everyone. And the best part? The library is constantly evolving with new games added regularly. It's not just a service, it's an investment in a gaming ecosystem that keeps you entertained month after month. Prepare to be visually dazzled. The Xbox Series X supports true 4K gaming, delivering an unprecedented level of detail and clarity. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense firefights, every pixel is a work of art. And let's not forget about ray tracing, a technology that adds a level of realism to lighting and reflection that was once thought impossible on a console. It's not just a step up in graphics, it's a leap into a new era of visual fidelity. Now, let's talk about Quick Resume, a feature that will change the way you game. Switching between multiple games seamlessly without losing progress is a game changer. It's perfect for those moments when you want to jump from one gaming world to another without missing a bit. The Xbox Series X makes it possible to have several games in a suspended state, ready to pick up right where you left off. It's not just a time saver, it's a game changer for those who like variety in their gaming sessions. Though the Xbox Series X is a monster of a console, it just wouldn't be complete without the Xbox Wireless Controller. The Xbox Wireless Controller is more than just a gamepad. It's an extension of your gaming instincts, with its textured grip and improved ergonomics. What if you're aiming for professional level precision? Well, you should consider the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. But that's not all. If you want an immersive audio experience, the Xbox Wireless headset has you covered. These accessories aren't just add-ons. They are tools to elevate your gaming session to a new height. And there you have it, everything you need to know about the Xbox Series X. Remember, it isn't just a console, it's a gateway to a gaming universe filled with excitement and endless possibility. Whether you are a seasoned gamer or just starting, the Xbox Series X is designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Microsoft related content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.